My name is Tim Holmes, and I come from a background of working in the faith-based film industry. I am a creative artist. I love to build, I love to design. I have experience working on feature films, TV shows, and short films as well. And in 2017, I created a toy called Nurkl. Now, Nurkl comes from an Estonian word, Nurk, which means corner. These are like little connecting corners, kind of like knuckles, right? So that's why it's called Nurkl. It's a corner knuckle. This is a building toy system for all ages. It is a redesign for how craft sticks are put together. People usually use things like glue or tape to put craft sticks together. The problem with that is you're very limited on what you can do. Glue is messy. Hot glue guns are hot. You can get burned touching them. So when little kids are using it, you have to have an adult around just to make sure everything's safe. Then once you put it together, you can't take it apart unless you want to break everything. With Nurkl, you can actually build something, disassemble it, and build something else. The pieces are very rigid. They hold together very well. This is a basic catapult. This is one of our designs we've constructed. You can actually take one of these pieces, load it up in here. This is a projectile. You can pull this back and you can launch it. These pieces will fly anywhere from 25 to 30 feet. We launched this product on the market 3.5 years ago. One of the biggest things we saw is the desire for the STEM community in public schools and in homeschools. Elementary school and middle school teachers are very excited about our product. It is a tool for learning. In the STEM community, this can be used for mathematics. It can be used for physics. It is a powerful tool for building kids' imagination, teaching them basic motor skills, teaching them how to expand, work together, and change the world. Our idea is to show people the value they have, the impossible things that they can do, and to inspire them to live a life of purpose. Not only do we have an incredible product, but we have other ideas, other products we are working on to expand into new markets, into new territories. Right now, there's nothing on the market like our product, which gives us a huge advantage. We have zero direct competition. We are going to create a new standard in the toy industry. This is more than an investment into a toy. This is an investment into the future lives of children and people everywhere. The power of what we do is rooted in the foundation of Christ. He has given me a vision, and He has said, make me the foundation of this company and I will do great things with it. And He has carried us a long way. He has opened impossible doors. As we launch onto the market, we have a team ready to go. Our goal moving forward is to launch a crowdfunding campaign to raise the total amount we need to fully launch our first round of manufacturing. To get that campaign up and going and to completion, we are asking for $50,000 from investors. This can come from one investor, it can come from multiple investors. Over the last several years, God has grown me in wisdom, given me a lot of understanding in how to move forward in this business. We still have a long ways to go, a lot to learn, but God has opened every door and He is growing this and He is making it successful, and it is going to change the world.